Oh, my love, you have returned. Wow, it's just, I don't know how to act whenever you come into my peripheral. It's just, you are beautiful. I'm sorry. I'm kind of bad with words, but I made something for you. Here. Yeah, it's a it's a book, and I wrote about everything I love about you, and I, I'm sorry if it's corny or something, but I just thought you would appreciate it. Because I appreciate you a lot. I really do. And I, I'm sorry. My words get caught in my throat whenever I look into your eyes because you're, you're, you're just so perfect, and I can't begin to comprehend how you're in front of me right now, looking at my face, and I'm looking at your face, and your face is amazing and beautiful, and it's I'm getting really nervous right now. Maybe come by again later, then we can talk in a better manner when I'm not fumbling over my words again. Okay. I love you too. Okay. Bye.